going to do a little fun experiment about carbon dioxide. So first I have some baking soda, some vinegar, and this candle. Okay then, so we put in some baking soda. Alright then, so now, as I told you, some vinegar next. It's close.
You can add some more.
Did it. Okay, then I'm going to add a little bit more.
Slowly.
Now my dad is going to help me light up this candle. Okay then. So now wait for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Okay, yeah, it's done. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it like this. Now let's see what happens. Oh, flame is slowly starting to go out. See what's happening. Whoa! Okay then, so now let's see if I can do it this time. Whoa! We did it, Mommy! We did it again! So we did the same experiment again. So the carbon dioxide is formed, so it's turning off the flame. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and please subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Okay then, so we did that. Now let's see. Oh my, that was so fast. So let's see what happened. So the carbon dioxide made the candle flame go out.